Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you a quick trick to easily get Oriental shrimps in Heartopia. So first, why is this important? Oriental shrimp is one of the favorite foods of the sea otter, which makes it a very valuable item, especially if you want to raise bond level faster with the sea otter. And to get it, you can fish these Oriental shrimps in any river area across Heartopia. And the good news is appears on all weather, sunny, rainy, and rainbows weather, so you don't need to wait for a specific time. So just go to any river and then just look carefully at the water. And Oriental shrimp is usually marked by a very small fish shadow. So just cast your fishing rod right on top of that small shadow. And then just be patient until you hook it and you will get the Oriental shrimp like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.